Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by grabbing the essential gear: the switch, the official dock, an HDMI cable, and a capture device or splitter. Plug the switch into dock and connect HDMI out to the capture card. This preserves the switch's video signal and bypasses unsupported wireless casting. Once done, connect the capture card to your PC via USB or route HDMI to your TV plus splitter to the capture. Make sure the switch is in TV mode and powered. That starts the mirror chain immediately. You now configure the capture software. Open OBS or the bundled capture app, add a video capture device source, and select your capture card. Set resolution to 1280x720 or 1920x 1080 and 60 frames per second for the best balance of quality and latency. This matches the switch output. Once configured, enable audio capture and monitor output so you hear game sound. If you see no image, cycle the source, check USB power, and ensure the dock is actively outputting HDMI. You finish by putting the capture preview full screen and tweaking scaling and latency settings to keep input responsive, lower buffering, higher priority for real-time play. For streaming, choose a 4,500 to 6,000 kbps bitrate and verify local recordings before going live. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get a persistent black screen, HDCP or HDMI encryption is likely blocking capture. Use an HDMI splitter that strips HDCP or try a different capture device, and restart the dock and software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.